like big right here at the top, and then it curls in at the bottom. So it works best if you have one of these like brush blow dryer thingies. And when you put your hair on this, you want to push up with your brush, hold for 5 seconds, comb through like normal. Then when you get to the bottom of your hair, you want to curl up towards your chin, hold for 5 seconds, then release. If you don't see a good enough curl on the bottom of your hair, you can do it one more time, which I normally do it 2 or 3 times. So the straightener that I'm using today, you probably won't be able to find it anywhere online because it is so old. This is a Wego Jade hair straightener, so it has jade stones as the plates. I'll be using that. I do have it on the hottest setting for heat. All we're gonna do is just curl our ends up towards our chin again, just so that it locks in that curl. You can even use just like big chunks of hair. I think it works better when you do it like that anyways. Don't hold it too long though, and yeah, there you go. So now just to make sure that the curls don't look too harsh on the ends, we are just gonna brush them out. If you have hairspray, you can top it off. That is how I do my old money blowout hairstyle. And now you look like a classic 90s old money rich wife. Who doesn't want to look like that? Because I know I do. Now you can have a fabulous day. Cheers.